Can you say mommy? Will you say mommy? Will you say daddy? Will you say up, please? Will you say swing? Will you say happy? Will you say Cheerios? Can you say giggle? Can you say ball? Clock? Yeah. Say uh-oh. Hey, can you say go? Can you say Jeep? Can you say car? Can you say ouch? Say ouch. Can you say stinky? You say it. Can you say rock? Can you say milk? There's your bell, yeah. Can you say cookie? Can you say puppy? Can you say baby? Yeah. Can you say Sasa? Can you say Bubby? Can you say book? Can you say book? Yeah, your book's over there. Can you say bucket? Can you say tractor? Can you say me? Can you say bonk? Yeah. Can you say Elmo? Oh, don't. Yeah, that's bonk. Can you say Elmo? Well, you should. Hey, say Elmo. Yeah. Can you say Bebo? All done. Can you say shoes? Say shoes. Yep, they're under there. Say shoes. Psst. Psst. Can you say booyah? Say booyah. Okay, all done, huh?